Hey guys, time for the Module 5 video. Today you guys are uploading your essay to rough drafts. This comes very quickly, it seems to me. This second unit is really fast in any way that you take the course, but when we're doing it, the whole thing in 5 weeks, it seems really fast. I wanted to let you guys know that I did just post your grades for Essay 1. They're pretty high. I thought you guys did a good job in general, and I posted you 2 forms of feedback. I gave you my marked up copy of your rough draft as an attachment, and then you should also see a rubric in the feedback area. And just so you know, what I did with the rubrics was it's a 2-page rubric, and I just put a minus, so it'll just look like a little dash if there was a deficiency in that particular criterion. And if you don't see a minus, then that means that you met that in my estimation, in my evaluation. And then it gave you a total at the bottom, so it may be a little bit hard to look at, but that's what you're looking at, is this copied and pasted into a text box. So Module 5 is, there's not a whole lot to it. You've already done the readings, presumably. If not, that's where you find them, this document here. So you've got your peer review due today, your essay due today, and on Monday you guys have your logical fallacies post due. That's CD5. And then Tuesday, the final draft of the essay is due. So that's all really quick. Let's look at the schedule, and I'm going to tell you a few adjustments that I'm going to make this less painful on people. So here's my course schedule. Essentially, I'm going to do with the rough draft the same thing that I did last time, which was go ahead and have the rough draft due today, but let you submit the peer reviews tomorrow. So again, the important thing is I get your rough draft because I need to be able to turn those back around to you guys pretty quickly. But then if you need to finish your peer review by, let's say, tomorrow night, Saturday night, that's fine with me. All right. So tomorrow morning I will go and reopen CD5A so you can continue to post your reviews. That's your replies. And then the essay is due on the 19th, but I will not count you late if you turn it in on the 20th. It's fine. Just know that we do start into Module 6 on Wednesday. So you'll just want to keep up with the readings as we go forward. All right, we're getting close to the end here, actually. So good job so far. If you guys have questions, let me know, and have a great weekend. Have a great Father's Day weekend if you get to celebrate that.